Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today we're going to be doing a DIY natural sleep lotion, perfect to add to your nighttime routine. The first thing you'll need is cocoa butter. In addition to smelling great, cocoa butter is extremely rich and nourishing. Applying this at night will help you heal your skin as you sleep. Next, you'll need some beeswax. This will help thicken and bind the lotion. You'll also need coconut oil, which is another great moisturizer and works to heal dry skin and create a protective shield to keeping your skin healthy and nourished. Start by placing all three ingredients in a glass heat-proof bowl. Once all your ingredients are incorporated, melt it over a double boiler or in a microwave in 30-second bursts till everything is properly melted. Next, you will want to start cooling your mixture by placing it on a bowl of ice, and at the same time, use an electric mixer to start mixing everything until it thickens up. Once your lotion starts to thicken, it's time to add your essential oils. Here I'm adding Ylang Ylang and Lavender. Paired together, these two scents create an incredibly calming and serene environment. This next step is completely optional, but I'm adding a few drops of natural colorant in order to get a soft lavender hue. This simply adds to the soothing quality of the lotion. Finally, you'll want to place your mixture in the fridge to let it set. In a couple hours, you should have an incredibly rich, moisturizing, and nourishing sleep lotion ready to whisk you off to dreamland. Thank you so much for watching.